Every girl dreams about having a fantastic proposal. If you're trying to find a way to propose to your girlfriend, maybe you'll find an idea in this video.
Time to propose to my girlfriend. No! Where's the ring? There it is. Oh, dang, the ring!
That's a really good size.
Yes, I got the ring!
Wow, that's a huge diamond.
Oh, who's the lucky girl?
Oh my gosh.
Lily, will you marry me?
Oh my gosh, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes!
Oh, congrats! The diamond's so big. Hug, 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 hug.
Time to propose to my girlfriend. Lily, do you want some chips?
No, I'm good.
Please, come on, just one. These are your favorite chips.
Okay, fine.
Will you marry me, Lily?
Me? Oh my gosh! Yes, 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 yes!
Thank you, my love. I think it's time to propose to Lily. Lily, I need
Hey
to talk
Lily,
to you.
I need you to check these charts for me.
Ah, really? That's the wrong time.
Okay, so you see here.
Will you marry me, Lily?
Huh? Me? Marry you? Ew, no.
Right? That's it.
No! No, 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 no!
What happened?
Are you okay?
Why are you yelling?
I just wanted to talk to Lily.
Me? Okay, what is it? Oh my god!
Lily, will you marry me?
Oh my god! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Give her the ring! Put it on!
Yes, put it on.
Oh, it's so shiny!
Yeah, you're so
I
lucky.
know! It's so pretty.
Lily, I want to talk to you.
Hold on, I'm almost finished.
She's always playing games. How can I propose to her? Lily, hey, stop playing the game. Play a puzzle with me.
Puzzles? I love puzzles! Will you marry me?
Yes. Will you marry me, Lily?
I don't know. Let me think. We've only been dating for 10 years.
Huh? Please say yes. Come on, please.
I'm just kidding, yes! Hey Max, I found your... What's going on?
1, 2, 3. Will you marry me?
Me? Oh my god, yes!
Where's the ring? Where's the ring? Where's the ring? Where's the ring?
Wow, I love this diamond!
I'm so glad you love it.
Hug, 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 yay! Aww,
I wish my boyfriend would propose to me while singing.
right?
Lily, I love you, silly. Lily,
Wow,
will you
that's
marry
really
me?
bad.
I loved it!
Will you marry me, Lily?
Hey. Yes, 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 yes!
Aww, you're so lucky, Lily.
I love you, Max! Huh? I didn't order a printer? What is that? Why is it moving? Max! Max, where are you? I'm scared!
Here I am.
Max, why'd you scare me like that?
Because I wanted to ask. Will you marry me?
Me? Yes, yes, yes!
Yes, yes.
Wow, I I love pizza.
And I love you.
You're so cute. Oh.
Lily, will you marry me?
Really, Max? Of course, yes.
Let me put the ring on you.
Wow, I love it so much, and I love you too, Max.
I love you too.